Ready to sleep na si Alex. Eric, hello. Olmedo, Dania, good morning. Juno, hello po. Down in the morning twilight, love me. Hello, Mon. Good morning, Mon. ID number, hello. Center Boys, good morning. Morning na lang ako magla-live, no? Magsisleep ako ng early sa gabi, and then gigising ako ng early, and then magla-live. Blueberry Pie, hello. How are you? I'm fine, Alex. Central Boys, good morning. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. Hello, Central Boys. I'm fine. I'm good. So far, so good. Talisay, Julius, hello. Thank you for following me, Talisay. Nagluto na nga ako ng ulam ko, Melka. Wow. Taga saan ka po? Taga Cebu po. Red Lines, hello. Mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Hello, Zils. Hello, ma'am. Sure, Talisay. Hello, Rai. Uy, Rai. Kamusta, Rai? How are you? Bellum, hello. Target, thank you for following me. Unfollow, hello. Felibert Ares, Zils, hello. Good morning, everyone. I hope you're doing well right now. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. Love me. Follow back, Lods. Sure, Lods. INM, hello. Bonnie, hello. Good morning. Van, hello, Van. Good morning. Juno, thank you for following me. RG, hello. Guys, wala talaga akong ayos today. Kasi galing pa ako ng galing ako ng bed. Galing ng bed. Target, hello. Hello po. Boss Roy, hello. Mamaya pa ako maliligo after nito. 50, hello 50. Then after ko maligo, mag-ready ako and then mag-live ulit. Boyza, hello. Anthony, good morning Anthony. Yes, okay lang talaga kasi wala akong no choice. Walang no choice. Jet, Big Boss, hello. Good morning guys. Guys, piso-piso. 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 Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. Love me. Down in the morning twilight. Kiss me. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. Wait lang, i-share live ko nga to. Saan ko ba to i-share? Share. Akun. Hello, Akun. Ano nga yung ID number niya? Ay, hindi. I don't know his name here in Bigo. Single kasi sa mga walang nag-aalaga sa'yo. May nag-aalaga sa akin. Sarili ko. I can take care of myself. I took care of myself. Lead spy. Hello. Follow back, Lods. Sige, Lods. Say it, Lods. Da, 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 da. Hello, Al. Good morning. Hello. Thank you for the loyalty ticket, Milk. Carlo, hello. Hello, Smiley. Good morning. Yes, kakain ako later. Busog pa ako. Nag-coffee ako kanina. Hi, Carlo. Good morning. Jerome, hello. Bawi ako ng live, guys, kasi hindi ako nag-live ng 3 days. So ngayon, bawi ako sa inyo. Magla-live ako lagi. Good morning, Carlo. How are you? Nelmo, hello. ID number, good morning. Mm, mm, mm. Da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Okay lang din. Why not? Hello. Newborn, good morning. Talaga mag-live ka palagi. Oo, magla-live ako palagi. Thank you for following me, Carlo. I'm gonna follow you back. Da-da. Down in the morning twilight. Edward, hello. Ashari, good morning. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. Chill. Invite mo si Shi. Hindi pa maka-live si Shi. Williams, hello. Good morning. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. Hindi pa pwede mag-live si Shi. Shi eh. Shi eh? Down and down, down, love me. JB, hello JB. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. Ay, Diyos ko. Silent. I see it. Hello. Fred, hello. Ay guys, familiar kayo sa ano? Familiar kayo sa affiliate sa TikTok? Fred, good morning. Are you familiar with affiliate? Papalone, hello Papalone. Shinchan, hello. Morning. Love me. ID number, hello. Mr. Happiness. Hi, Mr. Happiness. Ganda ng name ng Mr. Happiness. Parang every hour, every minute, every second, happy. Ching Chong, hello. King. Hello, King Jo. Ganyan ka ba, Mr. Happiness? Every time happy? Because you're Mr. Happiness. Alexandro, hello. Good morning. Mishimi, hello, Mishimi. Mr. D, hello. Sarai check, hello. Good morning. Meow, meow, hello. Uy, magmamanifest talaga ako ng maka-screenshot ako dito na nakaganon. Uy, nakakamiss mag-screenshot ng ganon. Justin, Dark Gray, hello po. Dawn in the morning twilight, love me. Amigo, hello. Ano ba magandang song? Faith, hello. How do I get through one night without you? Paulo Andre, it's hard to live without you. Mr. Happiness, thank you so much. Thank you, Mr. Happiness. What love would that be? Oh, thank you.